And you could put maybe a dusting of cinnamon spice over it to finish it if you wanted to. But that's how they should be looking. Nice, creamy, of course. I'm going to cut maybe half. And I'm going to, there we are. That's how it's easy to do with a slicing knife like this. I'm going to take a couple out like this. And you see they are not round, they are square, so basically they're pushing on each other. That's what you want. And you can see already that smear of cinnamon. I'm going to cut one across, and you can see all that cinnamon butter push into the dough. It's nice, it's soft, sort of Moorish, very Moorish. A fantastic treat for you, morning or afternoon, after a long walk in the cold and rain, coming back to a sort of warm or very fresh scrolls. What a treat.